Hey guys, and welcome to this video. So today I'm going to do an easy makeup look for work. So I'll be using just only a few items just for that easy natural glow just for work. Okay, so let's start. So today I'm going to use the Tan Miracle by Lancome in shade 2. So this is a dewy and light to medium coverage, but it lasts all day for work. I love it and it feels so comfortable on the skin, only a little bit. So I've literally just put a little bit on my hands and I'm just going to get a beauty blender to dab it on. So I've already prepped my skin. I don't really use a primer because obviously if you've got good skincare you don't really need a primer. But if you do use a primer, because obviously if you've got really oily skin like I haven't, then definitely use a primer. So I'm literally just going to go on with it. So I'm just going to use my beauty blender and dab that and start dabbing. Sorry if I look dead, it is 8 o'clock in the morning. I was meant to do it earlier but I missed 2 alarms. So typical me. I'd say January I'll be more organised with everything, especially like waking up early and the waking up, everything else is like being organised as in we're doing more videos for you guys and everything else, and work and everything. But being organised for waking up early, that has not worked. So yeah, just keep dabbing. So this is a natural shade for me. It has not got any. It is not darker than my skin tone. I'd say it's slightly lighter, but for the winter I prefer that, and then obviously I can bronze it up anyway. So obviously that's the foundation. Just look at that glow. It's beautiful. In this camera it makes me look really white, but honestly it's not white. It's my normal shade, my normal colour to match my neck. And obviously I do put a little bit on my neck anyway. So now I'm going to go in the concealer Tarte Shape Tape. That's the only concealer I can really use at the moment. And oh, actually I have tried the Huda Beauty Overachiever concealer and I am liking that as well, but I still need to try it a few more times to because if I only use it like once or twice, I can't really say anything. I can't give it a judgment until I've used it a few times. Because sometimes, because my eyes are so dry, even though I moisturise them, even though I put eye cream on them every day, they're still very dry and very dark. So I need a good concealer to say that it suits me every day and it covers my dark circles and don't crease. Because obviously, because I've got dry, there's so just a blue blender that needs washing. Don't worry, I use all washed and cleaned brushes and sponges on my clients. It's just for me, I'm a bit lazy. I'm gonna do them tonight. So what was I on about? Oh yeah, concealers. So obviously I need a good concealer, and obviously Tarte Shape Tape has proven that to me. So I'm still giving the Huda Beauty Overachiever a test. I think I might do, but I don't like to use that one every day. I just feel like, nah. So when I do another look, I'll use that one. You can see how that's like just concealed that. I love that. So for work, I normally use just like one shadow on my eyelids, and that is it really. So today I'm going to use the Charlotte Tilbury, the Vintage Vamp Luxury Palette. So which has just got 4 shades in them. Very nice, very neutral, but very like wintry colours. Well, autumny, wintry colours really. But well, yeah. Anyway, so burgundy. And I'm going to use my Morphe brush, my fluff brush. So I'm going to go in with, I don't want it to be too dark, so I'm going to go in with this one here. Take the excess off. And I'm literally just going to start. I'm literally just going to start in my crease. So I don't know if you noticed before, because I can't remember if I told you, but I put the Shape Tape on top of my eyelids as well with the beauty blender, and I'm only using a little bit really. just so it helps the eyeshadow stay on all day instead of using a primer. Just use my concealer, which you can do as well. It's so hard doing eye makeup looking in the camera and not the mirror. So I'm literally just blending that all over the eye actually. First I was just going to do it in the crease, but because I'm only going in with one, like, sorry. Yeah, so I've literally just blended that all over the eye really. And I was only just going to do it on the crease, but I thought, because we're only like focusing on 1 or 2 shades today, I'll just do it all over the eye. Or all over the main areas of the eye anyway. So on the next one, yeah, sorry about my sniffles, I have got cold. Just starting the crease again. And just blend. So obviously if you hold your brush right at the end, it's easier. Because if the more like closer to go, the more harsh you're going to get with the brush, and it's easier to blend if you hold it right down there. Whereas under the eye I was like quite close up, and that's why it's a bit harsher than this eye. Yeah, so just keep blending. So this is one of my first, obviously I've done a few videos on my YouTube before, but I normally do it and then edit it and voice over it, but this is the first one that I'm actually talking in it, so that's a big deal for me. I was a bit nervous. I don't get why I get nervous, but obviously I don't want my voice. That's probably why. So yeah, like I was saying before, I missed my alarms this morning. I was meant to wake up at 7, but I ended up waking up at 7:45, which is just great, especially just I've got work soon. With my sleep, I'm really bad. I just love sleep. So can you see that? It's just one shadow over the eyelid. Right, this is another Morphe brush. It's just like a blending brush again. It's quite a big one. But I'm literally just going to go over the like corners. I mean, over the edges with no colour on. And just blend that colour out. So there's no colour on this brush, it's literally clean, but it's just to blend out the edges. There's no like harsh lines. So obviously if I was like doing my eye makeup properly, I'd do a transition colour or blend it out with like a lighter shade and not going with that full colour straight away. But obviously because it's a quick easy look for work, I am. Right, now I'm going to use this flat, it's more like a concealer brush from Morphe again. This is from the, these brushes are from this eye set brush set that they did with a makeup brush. I think they're still doing, to be honest, and it's got all the eye brushes that you need. Love it. And oh yeah, so I'm using the colour, this colour here, like a champagne shimmery colour, and I'm gonna put that like just here on the lid. Can you see? Just like that. same on the other eye, just on the lid. So if you've seen my other videos, I normally put like, cut the crease out, put concealer on, but this is an easy quick look for work, so we don't do that. Can do that if you've got more time, but it's for work. And I don't want to be too over dramatic for work. I want a natural, easy look. So that's it. Quite an easy look. Literally, that's it, 2 shades. Now we're gonna go with eyeliner. Right, so now I'm going in with the Kat Von D tattoo liner. Love this liner. So first when I used it, I weren't really sure on it, but I love it now. Sorry, I'm always quiet when I do my eyeliner because it's so hard, like doing it on camera. So obviously I always start with the wing first and then go towards the inner corner of the eye. So I did the other eyeliner off camera. So obviously I'm not putting anything on my eyebrows today because I have only just got them done, so they're nice shape. But also because my eyebrows are not too bad. They obviously like they've got a bit of gaps, but they're not bad. But if you do, you can literally just go in with an eyebrow pencil or something, or dip brow. But I don't, for work I don't really do my eyebrows. Sometimes I fill them in with Gimme Brow though by Benefit, which I love. That's just something natural and easy to do. But I've run out of mine. Oh my god, I forgot to say what this actually was. So this is Grandiose Extreme by Lancome mascara, and it's like 3-in-1 curve, length and volume, and I love it because it's so easy and you get big lashes with just a little bit of a little coat. Now I'm going in with a Laura Mercier bronzer and a Real Techniques brush, and I'm literally just going to go quick with the contour. Not a lot. So that's it for that side. So I'm going to put a little bit on again because you want to keep this natural. Bit on the nose. And on the forehead. Right, I actually wish I had some Gimme Brow now because I feel like they do look a bit gappy, my eyebrows. Oh well. I'll buy some more. Oh, so this is the Hourglass blush, baked blush. It's called Ambient Luminous Flush. Can't even say that. So yeah, and I'm using one of my old Ted Baker brushes. It's a blush brush. Right, so now I'm going to use the NYX NYX Lingerie. There, NYX Lingerie in Lip Lie 06. So this is just a natural matte colour. So that's it, that's my, oh my god, my hair is so frizzy. Don't know why, because normally I keep it natural and I'm not doing anything to it. It doesn't find this frizzy. It's probably shampoo or something. But yeah, this is my natural. It's like a no makeup look, but with eyeliner. My lips are very nude. That's it, that's a quick look. Hope you like it. And please like and subscribe, and if you want me to do any other videos, let me know. Comment below in my comment box, Yeah, please, love you guys. Thank you for watching. Bye.